Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a love bug.
Yeah, to celebrate Valentine's Day coming up, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You can use whatever, and we're using markers.
Yeah.
You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our little love bug's mouth, and I'm going to draw a W right in the middle of the paper. Well, you're using the thick side. That's okay. We'll wait for you. We're going to draw a little W for the top of the mouth, and then we're going to draw a big U shape for the happy mouth, open. And then we can draw a tongue inside. Then let's draw an eye. Whoa, I'm going to draw a big eye. A really big eye on both sides. And then we always like to add the little, whoa, yours is even bigger. And we're going to draw a little highlight inside to make the eyes shiny. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we can also add eyelashes. I'm going to draw 2 little eyelashes coming off of the top of the eyes on both sides. Okay, now let's draw our little love bug's head. We're going to start here close to the eye and draw a cheek, the chin, and the other cheek coming up over here. Big, wide letter U. And then we're going to draw the top of the head by drawing a big upside down U. I like drawing big foreheads. I think it makes them look cute. Okay, now let's draw the antenna, and we're going to add hearts at the end to make it a love bug. So let's draw a little curve coming out on both sides. And then we're going to imagine that line or the curve extending out past, and then add a guide point. And we'll do the same thing over here. Then we're going to turn those into hearts. We'll start at the top, or the guide point up here at the top, and we'll draw the curve coming out, but then we're going to draw the straight line coming into the antenna at the bottom. Yeah, and then you could draw the other side to match. And then we're going to draw the same size heart over here for the other antenna. Well, these got really big. Mm-hmm. All right, I like it. Now we can draw the body for our little love bug, and I'm going to draw a letter U, a small letter U. And then we can draw the hands coming in on both sides. So we're going to draw letter U's on each side that are pointing out. And then we can draw 2 guide points in the middle, and we're going to draw our little love bug hanging onto another heart. So we're going to curve out to the left and also out to the right, and then we'll imagine the heart going behind the arms or the hands, and then we could just draw a letter V down here. Yeah, look at that. It's a pretty simple way to draw a cute little animal holding onto a heart.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the feet. I'm going to draw really small letter U's, 1 for each leg or foot. And then we're going to draw the shell. Maybe it's a ladybug, and we're going to draw a little curve on each side. I was thinking we could leave it just like this, but then you suggested we add something.
Wings.
Yeah, and
yes.
Small wings or big wings?
Massive wings.
Massive wings?
Yeah.
Okay, you show me how big, and then I'll follow you.
Okay. Oh, this feels so weird.
I want to see you do it first. Whoa. Okay, that's way bigger than I thought you were talking about. That's awesome. And then you got to do the same size on the other side. Okay, I'm going to try to do that too. I'm going to draw big heart wings. Oh, see, I didn't even draw them as big as you did. And then another bump. Oh, look how yours are way bigger. I didn't draw them the same. I usually like drawing the left side first because then it's easier for me to look at it and match.
Oh, yeah.
But that's okay. Okay. Okay, they're probably, they're close. This one's a little smaller. Okay, I'm really glad that we added those big giant wings.
Yeah, me too.
And what else do we need to add to our drawing?
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up. So remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. And you could also add more things to your drawing. I think I'm gonna add heart designs inside the wings. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our love bugs and they turned out awesome. I especially like how they look all colored in.
I hope our art friends will color theirs too.
Yeah, and you can match our coloring or,
You can color it differently.
yeah, you could even add more things like we mentioned. You could add more hearts. I like that we added hearts to the wings, but you could add hearts in the background.
Or maybe even more love bugs.
Oh yeah, you could fill your page with lots of them.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing love bugs.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.